Hey, what's happening, guys? Dan Darrow here with another Options and Play video update. So, kind of keeping the theme of these videos going, a lot of what I've been talking about has to deal with how you approach trading in this environment. And one of the main things we talk about, we spend a lot of time talking about at our option sessions, is like the overall tape because overall action impacts the type of trades we're doing, the type of style of the trades, type of strategy, just in general, right? So now that we're below multiple moving averages, just about actually every moving average, I want my mix of trade ideas to be closer to 50-50 bearish to bullish. For most of October, November, December, even January, it was 75, even 80% bullish. Now I want it 50-50, all right? For those bearish ideas. What I am screening for like swing trade candidates, um, are they basically have like a few characteristics or a few similarities. All right. So first things first, I want names that are fairly impacted by either like a shutdown in China. So whether that's production wise, right? So if they produce goods in China, or if they require Chinese goods to produce their products, right? Or the Chinese consumer, right? So discretionary income, you would think would also take like a hit, right? People not working, less money to spend, right? So uh, that's one of the things. All right. Second, lower highs. Right. Like I don't want stocks that come ripping back and have reclaimed all their moving averages. Right. So like for instance, like Costco. Right. Came ripping back, reclaimed all of its moving averages. I want lower highs. I want stocks that stall at lower levels. All right. So you can see Costco came all the way back. Nike, which is like the one I'm talking about, obviously hasn't come all the way back, right? Third thing, and this is if you can avoid it, because sometimes like options, depending on how far out you go, you got to pay for a catalyst. But generally speaking, I want uh, stocks that don't really have any catalyst on the like the near horizon. Just the reason why is because the option prices, they're already elevated across the board, and earnings at the moment aren't really a major catalyst for a lot of stocks. They're not moving stocks as much as they typically do. So I don't want to pay for it if I don't have to. So I'm trying to focus on names that don't really have any catalyst on the near term horizon because I'd like to think that the option prices might be a little bit lower due to that. All right. So Nike, like I just said, screens fits that screen, right? Consumer, it has a discretionary impact, it has production impact, lower high. Also, earnings are still about 3 weeks off, 3 to 4 weeks off, right? Apple, another name that kind of fits that category, right? So in addition to China being buyers of iPhones, also it's where Apple produces iPhones. It's bounced, stalled at a lower high, right? Earnings are out of the way, so no major catalyst on the horizon, right? So like these are the types of ideas that I'm looking at for bounces as potential swing short candidates, right? So you still got to pick your spots, still got to have good stops, good risk reward profiles, and design good strategies. But generally speaking, like these are the types of names that I'm looking at for potential like bearish trade ideas. All right. So I hope you guys are loving this volatility. I mean, just a ton of opportunities on both sides, long and short. 10 point trading ranges on the spiders every single day, which is remarkable. Just absolutely remarkable. Um, yeah, I mean, just so much going on. All right. So if you like these videos and you're looking for more information on options education or more option trade ideas, follow up with the link in the description of the video for more information on options and play. All right. Have a great night, and I will talk to you all tomorrow.